It would be easy to believe that humans have no place in the future of building materials logistics, but this couldn't be further from the truth. The future will see a shift in the roles and responsibilities of human dispatchers, with human-computer collaboration as one of its cornerstones. The digital workforce is not wasting time, talent, and creativity on monotonous work. Instead, data-driven transport planning frees up time to focus on core competences that no robot or algorithm can replace. After all, computers are only good at doing things that they are programmed to. If you give a computer a poor algorithm, you will get a poor result.